to my channel. This is Ebony Style. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome, and for my newly subscribers, you are welcome also. So do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel. God bless you. So in today's video, I want you guys to box my phone stand and lights. I don't know the name of the light together with me, so I just got it from delivery. So I want us to unbox it together. So now this is the light, Pro LED 600 professional photo something. Actually, I don't know what is, I know what is inside, but I've not opened it. I just collect it from delivery now, so just have to do the video so that you can unbox it together. So let's go. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on here? This is what's this? Sorry. Okay, this is the light. Wow. So opa. Wow. So I won't be using ring lights again. Yes, I'll be using ring lights, and I'll also be using this light. But when I saw this thing, it was actually big. I don't know, it's somehow little like this. So wow, but it's actually okay. This is the back side. It has batteries. Hey, can I fix this thing now? Because I don't even know. So let's go. Okay, there's the battery. It's somehow light, and I don't know. Maybe I will just find someone to fix these things for me because I'm confused right now. So that's another one. Oh Jesus. Okay, this is the stand, I guess. Yes, this is the stand. And this, I don't know. Oh Jesus. I'll look for someone that will fix it for me. So this is for the lights. So it came with the stand. No? Okay. This is the stand, I guess. This thing is not pulling up. Welcome. Yes, it's us. So just I'll still need this 9 minutes. So I'll not put it. Just the paper tape that they used to gum with. So that's it. Remove this. I'm happy right now. I swear that. It came with a tripod. Wow. The light actually came with a tripod. Yeah. Okay, how can it say? Oh, voila. Voila. Oh, wow, yes, that's it. But this thing is really strong. It looks like I don't know, like ring light stand actually. Yeah, not this well. Let's go for the phone stand. Yeah. So this is the phone stand. So I also get this 3-port phone stand. Yeah, that's 3 ways head. Go. Let's leave that one. Let's see what is inside. Oh, packaging. I'm blushing right now. What's this? Hey, emito ma belo ma ba wa shemaso. Oh Jesus. Oh wow, boy. This thing is, when I saw this, it was actually thick, like the stand. I don't know, it's somehow tiny like this. Okay. but I thought it's thicker than this actually. Yes, I thought it's thicker. Voila, wow. I thought it's thicker than this. What the heck? So this is a phone stand, but this phone stand, when I saw it, was actually thicker than this. It wasn't. It's not like this, and it's even white. I ordered, and this is what I'm getting. Wow, it's not thick at all. Anyways, I'm not happy with this, but I'm happy with that one. I'm not happy with this. So I'll just go ahead and test this light and see how it goes, because I said this thing. I'm not happy with this because when I saw it, it was actually bigger than this and it's thicker. I mean, this is it's, I don't know. Let me go and test that one. Let's go and test this one. I'm really happy with that one, but this actually I'm not. So let's go. Travel charger, so is rechargeable. Wow, that's is rechargeable. Abi, they say travel charger, so I can charge this. I'm actually using this, but how? What is this use? So guys, thanks for watching this what's it called, tripod. This phone stand actually has a remote control. Yeah, but it's not thick. That's the thing. It's not thick and it's not even longer. It can't be longer than this, but this has given everything. I love this. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.